and India's cases of coronavirus have crossed 24,000, a single-day hike of 29 new cases. Let's go across to Akshay for more. And Akshay, what's worrying is that it's also the biggest single-day spike of 57 deaths.
Well, yes, Gargi, if we are talking about the death numbers in last 24 hours, when the last number came in just 24 hours back, and now the new numbers have come out, 57 new deaths have been recorded of the COVID-19 patients. And but still, one thing that has come out is the recovery rate has even after the highest number of deaths, the recovery rate has increased, and from yesterday's 20.57%, it has increased to 20.66 percentile. So even though there has been a slight increase in the fatalities of the COVID-19 patients, if we are talking about on average, the recovery rate has still improved. In fact, the numbers that have come out, 1429 in the last 24 hours, Gargi, this is a drop from the last numbers which came, and in fact we saw that in the earlier numbers it was the highest spike in the numbers, with more than 1700 cases recorded in 24 hours. So this 1429 cases is a thing that the government can say that the numbers have dropped significantly as far as the last numbers are concerned, but the fatalities are hinting at one thing, that there are still, even though the recovery rate is increasing, there are still chances that the elderly, the people who already have some comorbidities, and the children are still a vulnerable section, and they still need to be wary of the risk of COVID-19, and we need not take it very lightly as far as the prevailing situation is concerned. So even though the numbers are decreasing, the situation is still very, very alarming for the government, and the government really needs to be very cautious about all the relaxations that are being provided, but also the people have to be very cautious, especially this section of elderly and the people with who already have comorbidities, as well as the children's, Gagi.
All right, Akshay, thanks so much for joining us with those details.